Hi guys, in this exciting tutorial, you're going to learn how to achieve this structured design that you can put on your sleeve or any part where you want some drama and elegance. So in order to make this, I'm going to be using my fabric. I have two pieces of fabric as you can see, and I'm also going to be using my boning. So you can use, I'm going to be using origin and boning for this tutorial. This is a type of boning where the needle can stitch on the sewing machine. So as you can see, I have drawn some lines on this fabric. I'll place the other one aside. We're going to come back to that one shortly. So I've just measured my seam allowance of 1/2 inch around, as you can see. So in this rectangular box, I'm going to sew my boning. So to make it easier for you, you can cut your boning pieces in advance and stitch your boning all over the rectangular box, but not outside the seam allowance. So as you can see, I've just cut the boning in advance. And I'm going to stitch boning pieces everywhere on the rectangular box. So after you finish sewing your boning, and guys, as I was making this tutorial, I ran out of boning, so I just sewed on the two outer parts. But for you, you have to stitch everywhere, even in the middle where I haven't put boning. You have to put your boning in order to make it firm and stand well. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my other fabric, and from the right sides, I'll make the right sides to face each other. Then I'm going to stitch on these sides, but I'll leave out one opening for turning. So I repeat guys, you have to make sure you stitch your boning pieces everywhere where I haven't sewn, all over there. So after stitching, I'm just going to turn it to the right sides. Like I said, one side was left open. I stitched there, and down here. Then one side was left open for turning. So I'm just going to turn it over, as you can see. Then I'm going to fold this inside and give it a top stitch. So I'm just going to give it a good press and fold inside, then give it a beautiful top stitch. Then once I'm done, this is the beautiful structure. And remember, I said you have to put boning everywhere at the center. I ran out of boning and I didn't put at the center, and it has a little structure. So imagine how beautiful it can look if you put boning everywhere. Then you can just attach it wherever you want and give some beautiful structure as seen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. Bye and see you next time.